Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions. Today I have a Kia key and it's a Kia seat. See, I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the battery on this key fob for a Kia. This model of remote have 3 buttons, and it's gonna see this key fob comes with many other cars as well. So I'm gonna put the name of the different models in description, so you can go and have a look in description and see if your car has a similar remote, or the mostly people, when they see this the shape of the remote, they know that's the similar one. To replace the battery, we just need a CR2032 battery, and I'm just going to put the link below in the description, so you can go click that link and go and buy online. See, if you're gonna hold this key, put your thumb on the Kia logo and press this button. So where this key comes out, there's a V space. Just put your finger here and pull it, and this cover gonna come off. Put it on the side. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hold this key like this and just pull the battery downwards, and it's gonna come out. That came out, and this is a CR2032 battery. So take the new battery and just put like this, and just apply a pressure on it and slide it upwards, and thus your battery has been installed. So put your back cover there and apply a pressure. As soon you're gonna hear the click sound, that means the battery has been installed. The back cover has been fit properly. Thank you guys. If you think my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thanks.